Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to buy a Brawl Pass using a vanilla gift card. So, if you've got one of those cards sitting around, stick with us to unlock some amazing rewards in Brawl Stars. First things first, we need to make sure you know the balance on your vanilla gift card. Head over to the vanilla gift card website and enter your details to check the available balance. It's important to know if you have enough to cover the cost of the Brawl Pass. Next, let's add this card to your mobile account. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process is straightforward. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, tap the More icon, and navigate to Payments. Here, tap Add Payment Method and select Credit or Debit Card. Enter the details from your vanilla gift card. Open up Brawl Stars and head to the in-game shop. Tap on the Brawl Pass option, where you'll see the option to purchase it. When you click Buy, it'll prompt you to finalize your transaction using the added gift card as your payment method. Once confirmed, you'll receive a message on screen confirming your purchase and voila! You've successfully got yourself a Brawl Pass using a vanilla gift card. And that's it, folks. You've now got access to all those awesome Brawl Pass goodies.